Okay, I've just put them down ready, so I just got to copy them down, and it pretty much fills the menu up then. I normally put a reboot and shutdown at the bottom of the menu as well. I tend to be rebooting more than anything else, and it just saves a lot of clicking. This is changing the order. Inside that layout, that defines the order the menu, the items appear on the menu up the top. I had 2 ice weasels in there, so I got rid of one. Wrong place, come back down. That's better. And there's the owner ice weasel. Order totally changed. That's simple. This is just changing the icon for Gigolo. Pointed at this one instead. Up the top. Go on. Now that should be changed. Yep. Got the little horse there. Now we'll add the reboot and shutdown. Gotta go into vsudo for this, which is a strange text editor, but it's not that bad. Control O writes your file out. That's Control O, and then enter, then Control X to get out of there. That's that done. Now we've got to create the launchers, the .desktop files, and this is as easy as any way. But I made a mistake here. I started with a capital R. Go on, give him an icon. That's right. I wish this thing would remember where you were looking last time. Saved a lot of clicking. Sometimes I think that reboot button is the most frequent thing I ever press on a computer. Bad, really, I suppose. Here we go again. Click, click, click. Just cut and paste them into your application, you know, where you put all the other menu items. Wrong one. Go to the file manager. Go on. That's better. I'm using lowercase r when it should be in uppercase. What I normally do is don't use uppercase at all. But I realised my mistake and go back to the old method. There it is, big R. And there they are on the menu. And they work. So we zip this one up, and I'll post a link on the site to download it, so you've got a starting point if you want it. I normally use 3 of these menus up the top, one for the internet stuff, one for tuner and terminal and stuff like that, and one for the audio video stuff. And when you install these, if you download them, this script does a lot, because your username will not be user, but this script takes the entries that say user and puts your own name in. That's what that home does on both lines. So the first thing you do after downloading is run that script. Now I should be able to create a new menu again. I'll get my old one back. This is all you've got to do to copy your menus into a new distro you've installed. It's at the menu again, the menu file. That's the one. Now they should all be back there now. All done. End of part 2. You can have my rest from my monotonous voice now. Bye.